Dear soul, feel this profound truth. You are not a coincidence. Your presence here in this moment is an answer. A heavenly secret is being revealed now, whispered by the angels directly to your heart. You have been chosen, not by chance, but for a divine purpose that transcends time and space. Your journey is not a mistake. Every step, every tear, every moment of waiting has shaped the essence of who you are, preparing you for a sacred encounter. The angels say that your soul resonates with an ancient melody, a song of destiny that connects with another. That person who occupies your thoughts is not there by accident. They are part of a larger plan, a link in your spiritual mission. The universe has orchestrated this path, and you are the key to unlocking the next chapters. Trust in the divine tapestry that is being woven, for you are loved, guided, and profoundly significant. Your existence is a prayer answered, a beacon of light for those who are destined to find you. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Feel the quiet that surrounds you. This silence is not empty. The angels reveal that it is a language, a sacred pause in the grand theater of life. You feel the absence, the lack of words, and your heart may tighten, questioning the meaning. But the angels whisper, his silence is not rejection. It's a space for healing, a time of preparation ordained by the heavens. He is on his own journey, facing internal battles that you may not see, but which his soul feels. This apparent distance does not mean forgetfulness. It means that the universe is working, rearranging the pieces, preparing the ground for a deeper, truer reunion. Do not confuse the absence of sound with the absence of feeling. True love breathes even in silence, growing and strengthening in secret, waiting for the perfect moment to manifest again. Trust the invisible process. He feels everything, dear soul, more than you can imagine. The angels show me that he carries a weight, an untold story, wounds that still seek the light. His soul is sensitive, and you perceive the complexity behind his facade. He does not pull away out of a lack of love, but from a deep fear of not being enough, of not being able to sustain the intensity of what he feels for you. There is a silent battle within him, between the desire to surrender and the chains of the past that bind him. The angels say that your presence in his life is already a catalyst for his healing, even if he doesn't yet know how to process it. He is learning to love again, to trust, to open up to a connection he may have never experienced before. Be patient with his process, just as you have been with your own. True love waits, it understands, it heals. Your light, dear soul, it is a beacon. You don't need to dim your shine to fit into any space, or any heart. The angels reveal to me that your essence, your authenticity, is what attracted him and keeps him connected to you, even from a distance. Your power does not lie in chasing, begging, or molding yourself to others' expectations. It resides in your own integrity, in your ability to love yourself and radiate that energy to the world. You are a force of nature, a divine manifestation of love and wisdom. The angels whisper that by focusing on your own healing, on your own growth, you become a magnet for all that is rightfully yours. Do not doubt the impact you have already made, the seed of transformation you have planted. Your presence has already been an answer, a wake-up call for him. What seems to take time, dear soul, is God preparing. The angels show me that divine timing operates in mysterious ways, beyond our human understanding. Your patience is not passivity, it is a sacred virtue, an act of faith in the greater plan. Every moment of waiting is an opportunity for you to blossom even more, to strengthen your own foundation, to align with the highest version of yourself. The angels say that the universe does not delay, it calibrates. It ensures that all the pieces are in the right place, that both of you are ready for what is to come. Trust that every second has a purpose, every challenge a lesson. The love that is yours cannot be stolen nor indefinitely delayed. It will come at the perfect time, when you and he are most aligned with the truth of your hearts. This connection you feel, dear soul, it is real. It is an invisible web that binds hearts and destinies. The angels reveal to me that some souls are destined to meet, to recognize each other, to intertwine in a cosmic dance. It's not just romance, it's a deep recognition, a sense of home that transcends logic. You feel his presence even when he is far away, a resonance that echoes within your being. The angels say that this connection is a divine gift, a mirror reflecting your own beauty and potential. It serves to awaken, to heal, to elevate both to a new level of consciousness. Do not doubt the depth of what you share. This bond is sacred, and it has a greater purpose than you can imagine. Allow it to guide you, to inspire you, to remind you of the magic that exists in the universe. Allow yourself to be vulnerable, dear soul. It is in your softness that your greatest strength resides. The angels show me that true acceptance begins within you, embracing every part of your journey, every scar, every hope. There is no need to guard yourself so much, to build walls that block the entry of love and healing. Surrendering is not weakness, it is an act of courage, an invitation for the divine to act in your life. Accepting what is, without judgment, without resistance, opens doors to transformation. The angels whisper that by surrendering to the truth of your heart, you release the energy that attracts what is rightfully yours. Let go of control, the need to understand every detail. Trust that the universe supports you. Commit your way to the Lord, trust in Him, and He will do everything. Psalm 37 verse 5. Your intuition, dear soul, is the voice of the angels. It is your most faithful guide, an internal map to your destiny. The angels reveal to me that you are being guided, step by step, by subtle signs, deep feelings, and synchronicities that seem like little coincidences. Pay attention to the whispers of your heart, to the messages that come in dreams, in songs, and in the words of a stranger. The universe is conspiring in your favor, opening paths and closing doors that no longer serve your highest good. Do not ignore these signs. They are confirmation that you are on the right path, even when the road seems uncertain. Trust the wisdom that resides within you, for it is an extension of divine wisdom. You are never alone. The angels walk beside you, illuminating each step. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Psalm 23 verse 1. The promise is being revealed, dear soul. What you have waited for, what you have prayed for, is manifesting. The angels show me that the energy you have been cultivating, the faith you have maintained, is creating a reality that once seemed a distant dream. Do not doubt the power of your intentions, the strength of your heart. The universe responds to your vibration, and you have aligned with love, with healing, with abundance. The angels say that the veils are lifting, and the clarity you have sought is coming. Be open to receive, to see the changes that are happening, even if subtly. What seemed stagnant is beginning to flow, what seemed lost is starting to return. Your patience will be rewarded, and your faith will be validated. Your crown of glory, dear soul, is already upon your head. It is made of resilience, self-love, and a wisdom that you have earned on your journey. The angels reveal to me that you are a queen, a divine manifestation of beauty and strength. Your worth does not depend on anyone or any external circumstances. It is innate, eternal, and shines brighter each day. The love you seek begins and ends with you. By honoring your own essence and loving yourself unconditionally, you become the embodiment of the love you wish to attract. The angels whisper that you are deserving of all happiness, all fullness, and all the love that the universe has to offer. Hold your head high, feel your majesty. You are a divine masterpiece, and your destiny is to shine. You are a crown of glory in the hand of the Lord, a royal diadem in the palm of your God. Isaiah 62 verse 3.